Good day, everyone. Welcome to my demonstration of yoga stretches. These stretches help me to relax not only my body but my mind. Lay your yoga mat on the ground and lay it back, looking up, and relax your body and free your mind of any worrying or anxious thoughts. For me, when I'm outside, I like to take in the sky or the trees above me, the sun. It reminds me that God is in control, and it helps me to relax. So whatever you would like, listen to some soft music or silence to hear your breath as you breathe in deeply, in and out, in and out. Your body relax and your mind relax. Now pull your feet together. Then bend your left knee and take in both hands. Pull your knee towards the center of your chest and bring it in as far as you can go. And feel that stretch in your buttocks and your lower spine. Breathe deeply. Exhale and inhale. Exhale and inhale. Do you feel that stretch in your lower back and your buttocks? Bring your knee in as far as it can comfortably go. Then release. Feel that stretch still resonating in your left leg. Relax. Now, bend your right knee and take your both hands and pull your right knee towards the center of your chest. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in deeply as you feel that stretch in your lower spine and your buttocks. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now lower your right knee. Stretch out your leg and feel that stretch resonating throughout your leg and your lower body. Bring your feet together. Then bend your left knee and grasp your knee with your right hand. Grasp your left knee with your right hand and pull it towards the ground. And you can also turn your head towards the left. This will allow you to feel the stretch throughout your lower back, your buttocks, and your spine. Enjoy that feeling, the release of endorphins throughout your body. Feels good, doesn't it? Then you can release your knee and relax your leg, stretch it out. Then bend your right knee, grasp your knee with your left hand and pull it towards the left. Pull it towards the ground as far as you can go, and turn your head to the right to allow that maximum stretch, to pull your muscles and tendons and feel that great feeling throughout your lower back and spine. Now release your knee and stretch out your leg. Raise your knees, grasp your knees, and sit up. Now stand, legs apart. Get as comfortable as you can. I'm repositioning my mat so that you can see more of what I'm doing. And get into a position, legs apart, and relax. Then breathe deeply in and out. And then pull your shoulder blades up towards your earlobe, both shoulder blades at the same time. Breathe deeply in, and on exhale, you relax the shoulder. Take a deep breath, breathe in, pull the shoulder blades up again towards your ear on the intake breath. And release that breath as you release your shoulders and relax. Now pull your shoulder blades back towards the center of your back as far as possible. Breathe deeply in and exhale. Then release your shoulder blades back towards your side. Again, breathe deeply in, pull both shoulder blades back towards your back as far as you can go, and relax. Breathe out. Sit down. Stretch out your legs in front of you. Then take your right leg, bend your right leg, and place your right foot against the inner part, the inner thigh of your left leg. Then grasp your knee, your left knee, your left calf or your left ankle, your left foot or the toes on your left foot. Go as far as you comfortably can and stretch. Feel that stretch in your lower spine. And as you take a deep breath in and out, you feel the lengthening of your lower spine. Feel that stretch. Be as comfortable, go as comfortably far as you can. And breathe deeply in and out. Now sit up. Release your leg, stretch it out in front of you. Then bend your left knee, your left leg. Place your left foot against the inner thigh of your right leg and stretch as far as you comfortably can, grasping your knee, your right knee or your right calf or your right ankle or your right foot or your right toes. Go as far as you comfortably can and breathe deeply in and out, and feel that stretch in your lower back and your lower spine. Feel that stretch. and relax. Feet stretched out, arms behind you, elbows and arms bracing your upper body. Then lift your body off the mat, buttocks back, thighs, legs off the mat. Feel that stretch in your lower spine, in your buttocks and your thighs. And relax. Lift your buttocks again. Feel that stretch throughout your upper body, lower body. Hold that. Breathe deeply. Exhale and relax. Now sit up, sit straight up, and brace your upper body with your left hand behind you, your right hand to the right, crossing over your thighs, and look to the right and feel that stretch in your lower body and your side. Breathe deeply in and out to feel that stretch even more. Now sit up straight again. Brace yourself with your right hand behind you and your left hand crossing over your body, your thigh, and look to the right and breathe deeply. And feel that stretch in your back and your side. Now turn to the front, reposition, then lay back again, totally on your back, and arms out, palms facing upward to the sun, and relax. Lift your left leg. Flex your foot, drop it. Lift your right leg, flex your foot, drop it. Lift your buttocks and your lower back and thighs off the mat, drop it. Lift your arms, clench your fists, drop it. Lift your shoulders to your ears and drop it. Turn your head to the left, turn your head to the right. Back at center. Feel that relaxation. Relax your body. Separate your feet. Relax your body, relax your mind, meditate on all the wonderful blessings God has bestowed on us. Don't forget your spirit, so you'll be ready to face the day ahead with God. Stretch your arms behind you. Ooh, that feels great. Feel your whole body stretch. And relax. Thank you for doing these stretch exercises with me. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. Goodbye.